Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Special Tapioca Recipe. We can easily make this yummy recipe within 20 minutes. Choosing the right tapioca gives best result. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 cups of water, then add 500 grams of tapioca cut into small pieces. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 by 4 teaspoons salt. Cook on medium flame until it's cooked well. Cooking time for it depends on the type and quality of tapioca we use. After cooking the tapioca, drain the water and keep aside for later use. For grinded mixture, in a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut, then add 2 garlics, 4 shallots, 2 green chillies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind it coarsely. Add this on top of the recipe. Also add 1 by 4 cup of water and close the lid. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Mix it nicely after 2 minutes. Kerala Special Tapioca Recipe is ready. We can easily make this yummy recipe within 20 minutes. Choosing the right tapioca gives best result for this South Indian recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.